I had to give donors money to a non-African to get the HVAC done. And you know what hurts my heart, brothers and sisters, as happy as I am that the HVAC is in, but what hurts my heart is I waited 3.5 years for an honest black HVACer with character and integrity who would not overcharge me to get these HVAC units installed. I waited for 3.5 years. White man did it in 1 week. I waited for 3.5 years. White man did it in 1 week. I said I waited for 3.5 years. The white man did it in 1 week. We got to get our act together, brothers and sisters. We got to get our act together, brothers and sisters. Now I'm going to have to get a white plumber too. I'm going to have to get a white plumber too. I'm tired of chasing around black HVAC techs. I'm tired of chasing around black plumbers. I'm tired of chasing around black electricians. I'm tired of giving them deposit money and they disappear. I'm tired of them starting a job and they never finish, brothers and sisters. I know it's not everybody. I know most of our black technicians have got integrity and character, but the ones I've been meeting have not.